Or you just have M&M's?
You want candy?
You got candy?
M&M
Yo, I want candy, bro.
Oh, look at this.
What? What's wrong with it? Yo.
Oh, that'd be real good.
Let's go. Oh, did you know?
Bro, you see that on the road?
Oh my God, look at this. I'll be in your face. My bag's right there.
You can have all of it?
Take a third.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, you gotta put that under it.
I ain't got brakes. No, I have brakes. It's just like they're like shitty.
I'll fix them.
Or are they shitty?
I'll fix them.
Yeah, we'll just like look.
I'll fucking fix them.
I will move my cane away.
I'll fix this fucker.
It's just the pads.
No, literally, I told him change your spark plug. Boom.
Well, the brakes.
It's just spark plug.
Well, what's wrong with the brakes?
Where'd you get the piston from?
For this. I literally bought a top end, the cheapest top end jail on Amazon.
Oh, really? Looking for the convex piston.
I love the shoes.
Because the stock piston was what? Flat?
I love the shoes.
I think so.
Damn. That's tough.
I guilt switched them earlier.
It's gonna start first
I
kick.
remember I guilt switched them. I have that shirt.
You do? It's my beater shirt. You trying to start it like that?
Can I bump start it? I can bump start that thing first try.
That's first kick though. No, maybe, I don't know. What was that like? A 12 and a 10 or so, I don't know, something? 1.5, 1.5?
Let's go to the other side. This one, go to the other side. Yeah, you got that for a while.
Wait, let me see. Don't explain it. Bro, what are you doing? Damn. Wait, who's doing it?
This piece of crap over it. This piece of crap over another good crap.
Just fix other good crap.
Well, I mean, there's so many videos of suffering. There's a big
Damn, can I see it? Damn. What if you just put this side, that side? It'll be up like that, and then it would be on the bottom and tension wherever. Or I don't know, let's put it up to the side. 10? Your hand. What up? That exhaust is crazy. You got it? Thing, bro. Huh?
Me and him were on that road, that dirt road over there.
Yeah. With the creek thing?
Yeah.
That dirt road is boring.
Well, it's the only thing we got. So.
There's that little
Why
trail
don't you guys
though
go to the
too.
park? Dude, I jump that
What?
shit all the time.
I saw the videos, yeah. Yeah, I see it.
You guys ever use a smoke wrench as a spacer?
Oh, I have not.
I have those washers.
I stole these from Home Depot.
I have those washers.
God damn, this bearing's so weird, bro.
Why don't you roll your chain off first?
Yeah, Jacob.
We guys gonna.
My chain's not good.
What is this, 12?
Oh, yeah.
12, yeah. That's 42?
Yeah.
Come on, man. Oh, yeah. You know what they fix that. Faster.
I don't know why they got this one.
It's still what it is.
What is it, 10 and 10? Is it over there?
It's a 10 and 13.
10 and 13? Okay.
They don't know what it is.
This way so it doesn't touch this over here.
Oh, wait.
Because we'll touch this and
It's still touch it. It's still touch it.
Just get it perfect.
Right there. No, but you got to take the oil on the other side. But you put the oil on the other side anyway. So it doesn't matter.
Well, take the chain on now and just like play with it and then adjust like this. Just like leave it loose so you can adjust the chain. And tension and tension like that way up. This shit's tight. I'm gonna have to like roll it.
They can be like suckers, you know.
This thing, yeah.
I'm gonna be honest. We're gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, so basically,
What were you saying?
his bike is too fast.
The bike is too fast. How fast do you think it goes? Because you're flying. It's like a rocket when you fly by. But that chain's still tight. You gotta like.
It's okay. It will snap. It's okay.
It might snap.
It will
Yeah.
snap.
35 chain. I hated it. 420's away.
Hey.
You gotta have that thick 420 chain.
Keep trying it out, dude.
Yeah. What's that chain?
Hey, I'm 100
Oh,
pounds.
20. My chain is so loose, dude. It's insane.
That's tight.
Oh yeah, look the meat. Lemon.
That goes 60 plus.
Oh, that bird can be flying. Oh crap! Because hell is in there. I didn't even know.
Oh my god!
Yeah,
That's a turbo for real? What flavor is that?
these nuts.
Man, is it wheeling the whole way there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy. Oh, he's back.
He's a tryhard.
Was your bike messed up? Was your bike messed up?
Mikey just
Yes, the cord.
What happened to
Bungee
it?
cord. The bungee cord.
What bungee
is stuck
cord?
in here. Like,
Here, get on. Go this way over here. There's a car right there. Are you tired?
stop. My tire just broke.
You tired, bro?
we gotta step up and see.
Yeah.
Oh,